Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss part 1 of the pair of words from CSS English paper of the year 2009. So let's start. Persecute and prosecute. Persecute means to subject someone to hostility or ill treatment, especially because of their race, religion or beliefs. यानी किसी को दुश्मनी या बदसलूकी का निशाना बनाना, ख़ास तौर पर उसकी नस्ल, मज़हब या अकायद की वजह से. Its synonyms are oppress, harass, victimize. Example sentences: The minority community felt persecuted due to the discriminatory laws imposed against them. Prosecute. It means to initiate and carry out legal proceedings against someone, typically in a court of law. यानी किसी के खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई शुरू करना और उसे अंजाम देना, आम तौर पर अदालत में. Its synonyms are charge, sue, indict. Example sentences: The Attorney General decided to prosecute the case against the alleged white-collar criminals for financial fraud. Luxuriant and luxurious. Luxuriant means abundantly rich and thriving, often used to describe vegetation or growth. यानी कसरत से अमीर और फ़रोग़ पजीर अक्सर पौधों या नमू को बयान करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Its synonyms are lush, flourishing, opulent. Example sentences: The garden was luxuriant with vibrant flowers and thick green foliage. Luxurious. It means very comfortable and expensive. यानी पुरतायुश. Its synonyms are opulent, sumptuous, and lavish. Example sentences: The hotel room was luxurious, featuring plush furnishings and stunning city views. Mean and mean. This mean means to signify or convey a particular idea, message or intention. It can also refer to being unkind, cruel or miserly. यानी किसी ख़ास ख्याल, पैगाम या इरादे की निशानदेही करना. यह बेरहम, जालिम या कंजूस जैसे मानों के लिए भी इस्तेमाल हो सकता है या इसके सिंपल माने मतलब भी हो सकता है. Its synonyms are imply, signify, intend, unkind, cruel, stingy. Example sentences: The raised eyebrow meant that she was skeptical about the proposal. Mean. This mean means a person's demeanor or facial expression that reflects their character, mood or personality. यानी किसी शख्स का तर्ज अमल या चेहरे का तासुर जो उनके किरदार, मिजाज या शख्सियत की अक्कासी करता है. Its synonyms are demeanor, expression, countenance. Example sentences: Despite the challenging circumstances, his mien remained calm and composed. Observation and observance. Observation means the action or process of closely and attentively watching or monitoring something. यानी किसी चीज़ को करीब से और तवज्जो से देखने या निगरानी करने का अमल या मुशाहिदा. Its synonyms are scrutiny, surveillance, examination. Example sentences: The scientist conducted a careful observation of the experiment to gather accurate data. Observance. It means the act of following or adhering to a rule, custom or tradition. यानी किसी उसूल, रिवाज या रिवायत की पैरवी करना या इस पर अमल करना. Its synonyms are compliance, adherence, conformity. Example sentences: The family's observance of holiday traditions brought them together each year in joyous celebration. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.